Making his way to the ring at a combined weight of 426 pounds, Spike and JCVD Sanity.
Most intimidating forces in WWE.
And his opponent, first, at a combined weight of 620 pounds, Akam and Razor, the authors of pain.
It'll destroy your face.
This is a match that doesn't need a lot of description. Just look at the ring. This is going to be an incredible six-man tag match.
Razor is never one to vocalize his feelings.
Oh, aside from the primal screams he roars as he pummels his opposition into the canvas. Oh, clothesline! Get in there, ref. What a stop.
Good grief. Harsh impact.
Elbow drop with authority. Scoop slam! Not where he wants to be right now. Hey, he got himself into this mess.
Well, he's got to get himself out of it now. You got to believe this one's over.
Oh, nasty impact. Oh, what impact.
Ooh, what impact.
He's starting to show signs of fatigue. And you know all three of the superstars he's up against won't back down at any point during this match.
Hey, you're going to get hurt in a match like this. That's just the way it is. There's really no way around it.
This thing appears to be slipping away from him in a hurry, guys. Jeez. And you can bet he envisioned things going much differently for him heading into this match.
What a stomp. Good grief. Beautiful technique. Oof. A striking blow. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Inverted suplex.
Oh, right to the face.
He's taking some offense. I think it's safe to say that the action so far in this six-man tag team match is exactly what we expected.
When you put that much meat in the ring, somebody's going to get hurt. And unfortunately for him, he's the one on the receiving end of this inevitable beatdown.
This match is so evenly contested right now that it's almost impossible to pick a winner. I guess we'll just have to settle in and enjoy the action.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Ooh, headbutt.
Nothing fancy there.
Oof. Oh, nasty impact. Tackles, ruthless. Nailed it.
Well, that'll hinder your modeling career.
Oh, what impact. And no luck against Akam there.
What a slam!
Impact whack. Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Beautiful technique.
He's stumbling some now. It appears his opponent has his number right now.
A very crucial part of the match for him here. He simply cannot let his opponent gain too much momentum.
Oh, what a slam! That hurt! Backbreaker!
Russian leg sweep. Oh, that's how you establish
Shows no mercy.
In that poor chair.
It looks like a twisted heap.
You gotta believe this one's over.
That's using your head.
Ooh, nice Russian leg sweep. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
What a strike.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Scoop.
What a boot.
He can end it here.
Akam is in a real bad spot.
Boom!
Now back to the ring.
He's looking. Boom, what impact.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
Shoulders down, is it enough? Overhand right lands. What a stop.
Good grief. What a six-man tag match.
No doubt it was a good one. Here's another look.
Here are your winners, by Stallone and JCVD. Sanity.
There's no doubt about it. That's a big pinfall win right there.
I don't care how many wins you have. Whenever your hand is raised in victory, a certain level of excitement washes over you.
Social media has been buzzing over this Raw